Hi, how's it going everyone? So this tutorial is designed to get you guys familiar with how to use some of the terminal commands to run the code that I provided. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to download the repo that I've shared on my GitHub. So we can do that by going to Slack, and there's a link to the repo, and we can click it. So after you guys downloaded this repo, um, we're gonna locate where this repo is. So in my laptop, so the repo is located, the downloaded repo is located in user and my name here. So it is located right here. So we need to get the absolute path to this repo, and we can do that by dragging this folder to your terminal window, and it's gonna automatically generate the absolute path to this specific folder here, which is right here. All right, so now we know uh, what's the absolute path to this folder is. And the next thing we're gonna do is we need to go into, we need to move our uh, current working directory into this specific folder. So we can do that by, first of all, we need to know what's our default working directory. And we can do that by typing the command print working directory, pwd. And we can see that the default working directory is this one. And if you remember, uh, our the working directory, the directory that we want to work on is user Kunlun Wang and rotate whole folder. So we need to change our directory into this folder. So we can do that by typing cd, which stands for change directory, and change directory to rotate whole folder. And now our working directory is inside this folder, which is exactly what we want. So the next thing that we're gonna do is try to find out the environment that contains the the packages that we need in order to run the code, and we can do that by scrutinizing the code. Actually, let me just open this. So we can see that we need to import 4 packages in order to successfully run this code. And and as I know, OS and Arc parts are automatically built in to your Python. So all we need to do is to uh, import these 2 packages, and we can do that by going to the Anaconda Navigator, and we can see over here we have several different environments. And in my laptop, TensorFlow is the environment that contains both the OpenCV2 and the NumPy. So we're going to use this environment. So we're going to activate that environment in the terminal window. So we're going to do that by typing conda, which stands for Anaconda Navigator, activate TensorFlow. All right, oh, it's a typo here. So conda activate TensorFlow. All right, so now the environment that contains those packages are successfully activated. Then what we can do is, as you can see, um, so as you can see that I have 2 image folders over here, and this image folder is the source folder, which contains all of the images and annotations that we want to rotate. And over here, that's the destination folder, So this folder is going to contain all of the rotated images and annotations. And now let's import some of the let's just like select 2 images and 2 annotations and put it right here as our test. So to make this easier to view, let's rename this as test1 and this one as test1.text, test1.text, and this one as text2, test2, test2. Okay, so now we have 2 images and 2 annotations to rotate. And now what we can do is to type Python rotate .py, and so we need to specify what functions are we looking for. So over here, so we're inputting a folder containing all the images and annotations. So we're gonna specify the parameters over here as D. So and the name of the folder is images. We also need to specify the degree of the angle that we're gonna rotate by. So let's say we want to rotate by 45 degrees, and we can type this. And as you can see, and when you go to this rotated images, it's going to contain all of the successfully rotated images and successfully adjusted annotations, which is good. So that is it. So I hope you guys find this helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions about any part of this, and thank you very much.